Ugh. Ugh.
Well, I'm sorry you rubes can't enjoy jazz. I'm practicing for a very important open mic night tonight.
Well, practice somewhere else. This here's a jazz-free zone.
Fine. I'll take my music to the people then.
And if I see that clarinet again, it'll be going into the woodwind chipper.